abatura abakira hamwe yo gubutande biremo nibajangu bahurire cyo kubaruke mirundi ebiri kuza kushanga bashanga abantu bariyo no bafa boyima ya motoka okubatera ikigo
cyagambe mu bindi bihugu ni mukaniza ni Nyirukanga zakabona shanga motoka yanze niha nahende shitikibe kwasire urwigi nakiza abantu Nyirukanga nahitaho barano abazi kwingura
motoka yayeza gwaho nashanga rwemerambwe mushanga bashatu babiri bari kumunonga twatandika kuya webintu babatwaransiko mu irwaro
hariho honere butandweji kana naja motoka ecwekire brakes nuko kuremwa obire nagivuga ikabikara
tukurwa mu karembe tukuzera motoka yaceka breki tukanuka kushura
twagambaho no mugambirizo wa polisi mu rushenye mpango aporotayebwa yahamye ikigwerezeki ahasimu.
I confirm that the Buweju District Traffic Police Department is investigating the cause of a fatal traffic accident that occurred on December 20th, 2025 at 10:45 p.m. involving a Fuso lorry number UBA649Z. A yet to be identified and still on the run driver was heading to Ruvindi in Mbarara Rural when he lost control on a slope, killing 8 and injuring 7 people.
Abaferireho batwirwa mukabafu aharinsika health center ya kana kandi abahutire birukangizibwa hirwaro rukuru Eliambara. Gasha kwa Juliet Charles Sim.